All right, here's a couple of examples from our worksheet, Pizzazz, page 195, what happened to the glass blower. And I'm going to write the examples on our whiteboard here. Let's go ahead and do number one. Number one says x is greater than -4 and x is less than or equal to -1. I need to solve and find what values make both of these true at the same time. Well, I don't really have anything to solve for either of these, which is nice. So I'm just gonna go to my number line. I'm gonna make one. And I need to go to -4. No, I'm just gonna make this a little bit bigger. I'm gonna put 0 over here and -1 here. Okay, so I need x has to be bigger than -4. So that means all of these values will make this true. But I also have to have x less or equal to -1. So I have to have all of these values. That's going to work for that. Since this is and, I need where do these intersect? Well, that's going to be at -4 all the way up here to -1. So let's see. Technically, if I were to do interval notation, that would be -4 to -1 like that. But I don't really care about interval notation for this one. I'm just taking a look at which of these graphs make it work. And let's see. Oh, -4 not included to -1 included. The answer to 1 is I. So I would put I there. And here's I. And here is I. So that's kind of an example of what to do. And then you're going to be solving these compound inequalities. Make sure that you're looking at and or. And then they get a little more increasingly in difficulty the further down you go. And if you need help with those, look back at the previous video where we talked about compound inequalities and how to solve them.